'Cause I am a superwoman. Yes, I am. Yes, she is. Even when I'm a mess, I still put on a vest with an S on my chest. Oh yes, I'm a superwoman. When I'm breaking down and I can't be found, 'cause I start to get weak. 'Cause no one knows me underneath these clothes. But
What are you doing here? You should be recording or something like that.
That's exactly what I had in my mind for this job.
This is not your place, you know that.
Yeah. You know, when I came to Madrid, I was trying to figure out where is my place, where I belong. I don't want to sound dramatic, but I really feel lost.
Listen, maybe I can help you. I have to finish sweeping the floor, so call me in 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Fine.
Cause I am a superwoman. Yes, I am. Yes, she is. With an S on my chest, I'm a superwoman. When I'm breaking down and I can't be found, 'cause I start to get weak. 'Cause no one knows me underneath these clothes. But I can fly. We can fly. Oh, 'cause I am a superwoman. And
What are you doing here? You should be recording a CD or something like that.
It's exactly what I had in my mind for this job.
You know, it's not your place.
You know, when I came here to Madrid, I was trying to figure out where is my place, where I belong. I don't want to sound dramatic, but I feel lost.
Listen, you know, maybe I can help you. I have to finish sweeping the floor, so call me in 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Fine.